Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your phone camera to OBS Studio. So in order for us to do this, you have to firstly have a local connection between your phone and your desktop. So that's just by connecting to a nearby Wi-Fi connection. So I'm going to be having my phone and desktop connected to the same Wi-Fi. So after that is done, then you have to download the irium webcam software. So if you are finding difficulties in getting this on your phone or on your desktop, I'm going to be dropping a link in the description on how to get this downloaded on your phone and on your desktop. So after having them downloaded both, then you open the both of them and run them. So as you can see now, I have irium webcam opened on my phone and on my desktop. So even already my phone gets on my desktop already. So after this is connected, then you have to go back and launch OBS Studio. So when you launch OBS Studio, you click on the plus option. Then on the plus option, you go to video capture device. So after then you click on OK. So it's going to ask for your device. So you just click the device and change it to irium webcam. So once you've done that, click on OK. So you should have your irium webcam display here on your OBS Studio. So that's just how you can easily connect your phone display to OBS Studio. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you find it very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.